Mindfulness for Entrepreneurs, Achieving Work-Life Harmony. Welcome to Business Brain USA, your compass in the world of entrepreneurship and personal growth. Today, let's embark on a profound journey exploring mindfulness and its pivotal role in fostering a balanced life for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship is a thrilling endeavor, an exhilarating ride through the peaks and valleys of business. However, amidst the pursuit of success, entrepreneurs often find themselves engulfed in a whirlwind of responsibilities, incessant demands, and a relentless drive for achievement. The consequence? The delicate balance between work and personal well-being teeters on the edge. Mindfulness, often misconstrued as a passing trend, transcends the confines of a mere practice. It's a state of heightened awareness, a conscious presence in the current moment. For entrepreneurs, it's a tool that fosters clarity, resilience, and emotional intelligence, navigating the turbulent seas of business. At its core, mindfulness beckons entrepreneurs to the present moment. Amidst the chaos of decision-making and strategic planning, it encourages them to anchor themselves, allowing for clarity and focused action. Mindfulness is not a luxury, it's a necessity in the entrepreneurial toolkit. Scientifically validated mindfulness practices have shown significant benefits, reducing stress, enhancing resilience, and amplifying cognitive flexibility, the very qualities essential for navigating the unpredictable terrain of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is synonymous with high-stress environments. Mindfulness becomes a refuge, a sanctuary where entrepreneurs can retreat to find solace, fortify mental resilience, and regain clarity amidst chaos. The traditional concept of work-life balance often evokes an unattainable equilibrium. Mindfulness reframes this narrative, advocating for work-life harmony, a seamless integration that nurtures holistic well-being without compartmentalization. Mindfulness invites entrepreneurs to integrate work and life consciously. It's not about rigidly separating the two, but rather blending them harmoniously, allowing for conscious prioritization and fulfillment in both spheres. The foundation of mindfulness often begins with breath awareness. Entrepreneurs can start by dedicating a few moments each day to mindful breathing, feeling the sensations of each breath, grounding themselves in the present moment. In the hustle of a busy day, inserting pauses between tasks can be transformative. These pauses, whether a brief walk, a moment of reflection, or a conscious shift in focus, allow entrepreneurs to transition mindfully, optimizing clarity for the next task. Entrepreneurial success hinges on effective communication, mindful listening, being fully present during conversations without mental distractions, enhances understanding, empathy, and effective communication. Entrepreneurial ventures are collective journeys. Leaders can infuse mindfulness into the team culture, fostering an environment that values well-being and conscious presence. Leadership by example is powerful. When leaders embody mindfulness in their actions and decisions, it sets the tone for a culture that prioritizes well-being, creativity, and collaboration. Mindful entrepreneurship extends beyond individual benefits. It creates ripples of positivity and conscious leadership that transcend boundaries. Mindful entrepreneurs often embrace social responsibility as an intrinsic part of their endeavors. They intertwine profitability with purpose, contributing positively to societal and environmental well-being. As we conclude this exploration, remember, mindfulness isn't an isolated tool, but an integral part of the entrepreneurial journey. It's a compass guiding entrepreneurs toward work-life harmony and conscious success. Thank you for joining us at Business Brain USA. Until next time, may mindfulness be your guiding light, harmonizing your entrepreneurial path toward well-being and success.